Hello everyone, I am back with one new topic. Hope you will enjoy this. These days there are many students who prefer visual learning rather than books, as it is easy to understand, more effective, and interesting to watch. It is also scientifically proven that a human brain can register information more via visuals than texts or audio. Learning extra skills benefits and boosts our career, and in this way e-learnings are the most viable options. So I prepared a list of top 10 online websites where you can find free educational videos as per your interest. So let's get started. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit educational organization created by educator Salman Khan with the aim of providing a free world-class education for anyone anywhere. It produces short lectures via YouTube videos. All resources are free of cost to anyone around the world, and its videos are translated into 36 languages, including English as their main language. As of 2015, it has more than 5,000 courses. In 2012, the founder of the Khan Academy was listed among the Time 100 most influential people. Recently in 2015, it partnered with Disney and Pixar Animation Studios to launch Pixar in a Box on Khan Academy. They also partnered with NASA, the Museum of Modern Art, the California Academy of Sciences, and MIT to offer specialized content. Subjects covered: mathematics, science, computer programming, history, arts, economics, finance, physics, astronomy, cosmology, etc. MPS Interactive Systems. Make the Planet Safer Interactive has 25 years of experience in custom learning solutions and is one of the most reputed leaders as well in the same field. It is one of the best e-learning companies in India to provide all kind of online education at one place. With a team of over 350 multidisciplinary specialists, it has won 100 international awards and was featured as the top 20 training outsourcing companies globally for the last 7 years. Subjects they covered: law, humanities, criminal forensics, medicine, healthcare, instructional design. Coursera. Coursera is a private equity, for-profit educational technology company founded by computer science professors Andrew Ng and Daphne Koller of Stanford University that offers massive open online courses. It offers all its courses accessible for free. But in 2014, it blocked their courses for users in Cuba, Iran, and Sudan. Since 2013, it started offering 5 courses with college credit approved by the American Council of Education: Algebra from the University of California, Pre-Calculus from the University of California, Introduction to Genetics and Evolution from Duke University, Bioelectricity, a Quantitative Approach from Duke University, and Calculus, Single Variable from the University of Pennsylvania. Subjects they covered: arts and humanities, business, computer science, data science, life sciences, math and logic, and many more. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is one of the popular websites for learning technologies online. Run by Refsnes Data, a software development and consulting company in Norway. It has structured tutorials and playgrounds that offer a decent learning experience in the web programming field. It is completely free developer's resource. Subjects they covered: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, SQL, PHP, ASP, XML. Codecademy. Codecademy is an online interactive platform founded by Zach Sims and Ryan Bubinsky that offers free coding classes in 12 different programming languages. As of January 2014, it had over 24 million users who had completed over 100 million exercises. In 2013, it launched their first iOS app, called Hour of Code, that focuses on the basics of programming, including the same content of the website. It received Skilly's Technology Award in 2015. They covered Python, Java, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, React.js, Ruby, SQL, HTML and CSS. Ask IIT Ayansh. Aditya Singhal and Nishant Sinha of IIT Delhi founded Ask IIT Ayansh to cater primarily to students of India and Middle East who are preparing for engineering entrance exams like IIT JEE or IEEE. It is one of the parts of main online tutoring, an educational website called Transweb Educational Services. Subjects they covered: IIT, JEE, medical, engineering, etc. Tutor. Tutor.com is a fully online tutoring service that provides one-to-one learning solutions for students and professionals. They have completed 11 million one-to-one sessions and cover more than 30 subjects. They have received many awards like Parents' Choice Gold Award, Microsoft Gold Certified Partner, Deloitte Technology Fast 50 Program for the New York region, 25 Best Small Companies for Women by Working Mother, etc. Subjects they covered: SAT test preparation, social studies, science, math, and English. Open Yale Courses. Open Yale Courses is a project of Yale University that provides free access to a selection of introductory courses. It has now 42 courses that are funded by William and Flora Hewlett Foundation. All recorded lectures of Yale University is accessible without any registration in the video, audio, and text transcript formats. Subjects they covered: astronomy, biomedical engineering, chemistry, economics, geology and geophysics, political science, physics, etc. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please like this video. edX. edX is a massive open online course provider that was created by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Harvard University. It has more than 7 million students, taking more than 700 courses online as of 2016. It is the only leading massive open online course provider that is a non-profit and open source. The OpenEDX is the open source platform that powers its EDX courses for free. Subjects they covered: architecture, biology and life sciences, computer science, data analysis and statistics, design, economics and finance, education and teacher training, electronics, engineering, environmental studies, etc. Apna Course. Apna Circle is an e-learning platform that provides in-demand video courses delivered by their top instructors. All provided courses are targeted towards working professionals who wants to enhance their skills to advance their career. It received the Startup of the Year award by Silicon India in 2014 and is recognized as the best e-learning companies in India by the World Education Congress in 2014. Subjects they covered: banking and finance, project and ops management, IT and security, sales and marketing, statistics and data analysis, etc. One bonus website. Invest2. Invest2 is the biggest online trading school in the world, with 350 plus video lessons and 20,000 active members. Their trading team has years of experience in trading the market and also have in popular sites like Investopedia.com, IB Times, MoneyWeek.com. Invest2 is free of cost online tool to practice forex trading. Subjects they covered: forex, binary options, forex strategies, price action, Elliott wave theory, etc. So hope you like this video. All websites link in the description. Please like this video and press the subscribe button for more useful videos. Thank you so much for being here. If this video helped you to find something new, please share with your friends. And if you have any suggestion, please comment so I can improve it.